And an update now in the Crystal Rogers case. Attorneys and the prosecutor met this week to discuss the trial location, agreeing on a Kentucky county about 2 hours away from Bardstown. According to attorney Ted Lavitt, they plan to suggest Christian County, Kentucky. That is about 2 hours from Bardstown, 2.5 hours from Louisville. Getting away from Louisville and Lexington media markets was a top priority when considering locations. Here's what else went into the decision. One of the most high-profile trials in Kentucky history could be heading to Christian County, a rural county of 72,000 people where the biggest city is Hopkinsville. This is where the attorneys for Joseph Lawson, Brooks Houck, and Steve Lawson believe their clients will find an unbiased jury who may not be familiar with the Crystal Rogers case.
That was the primary object of our discussion. It met the criteria of eliminating any media bias. I wanted to go a little further out, consider Paducah, but on the other hand, convenience to Judge Sims was important.
Ted Lavitt represents Steve Lawson in the case. He says the attorneys and the prosecutor met on Tuesday to discuss the trial location, focused on finding a new courthouse that was both convenient and high capacity, two requirements from the judge.
We considered various locations, and it was thought that the location at Christian County would be suitable. It's not that far away from Bardstown, a couple of hours. It has a good protection for the jurors and witnesses and counsel and the court, the personnel.
Ultimately, it will be up to the judge to decide and finalize the location. But Lavitt says out of the many Kentucky courthouses they discussed, this was the only one that fit the bill. Well, the judge on the case has canceled next week's court date, which was set specifically to discuss the location of the trial. According to court documents, he'll be visiting the Christian County Courthouse in person and then making a final decision.